What's going on, muscle monsters? Alain Gonzalez here, and in this video I want to tell you 3 things that you must be doing if you're a naturally skinny guy who wants to gain weight and build muscle. If you do these 3 things, you will grow, no doubt about it. All right, so first things first, you need to be in a caloric surplus. This simply means that you need to be intaking more energy than you're expending. This is what's going to allow us to gain weight, right? When we're in a positive energy balance. A very simple formula for doing this is taking your body weight in pounds, multiply it by 20, and eat that many calories, okay? Now you're gonna track your weight every day, and at the end of the week, you're gonna get an average. As long as that average is going up, that means you are in a surplus. All right, if the average stalls and is no longer going up, all we have to do is increase the intake by 250 calories and we're back in a surplus if all of our physical activity remains the same. All right, the next thing you want to ensure is that you are getting stronger in the gym. Okay, so make sure you're tracking your workouts. If on week 1 you did the bench press for 135 pounds, 3 sets of 10, and next week you did those same numbers again, you're not giving your body a reason to build muscle. All right, you need to increase the stimulus. So aim for either increasing the weight by 5 pounds and keeping the volume the same. So maybe 140 pounds for 3 sets of 10, or keeping the same weight and doing more reps. So you might do 135 pounds for 3 sets of 12 instead. This is progressive overload. As long as you're progressing in the gym and you're eating enough to sustain growth, then you will get bigger. And then the third one, probably the most important, is consistency. Okay, it's not going to be enough to do this for 3 weeks and then stop for a week or 2 and then get back to the gym. You have to do this consistently over time. All right, this doesn't happen overnight, and if you're wishy-washy or back and forth or changing your program every couple of weeks, it's not going to work. Pick a program, and I'll give you mine for free. It's the Bulk Up Fast program. It's in my book that you can get, again, for free. Just click the link below. Tell me where to send it. All you have to do is pay for the shipping, and the book is already paid for. So take that program and follow that for at least 90 days. All right? If that's not the program you want to follow, maybe you already have a program, that's fine. Stay on that program, but give it time to do its job. Do those few things, right? Eat enough, stay on your program, and make sure you're getting stronger and do it consistently. You will grow. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and we'll talk in the next one. Peace.